Alright, today I've got a Homelite blower and it's got a broken pull start. So let's take it apart, have a look how we can fix it. I was already looking at it for a little bit. I've never changed one of these before, so that was a waste of time. I have to take that off at all. Put that back on then. This should be just a cover. I'm have to go and get some tools out. This handle here. Looks like I'm just taking the screw out of this. This should pull out. I must have to take all this apart, undo this to get in. I'll have to go and get the Torx bit, because that's all it's holding it. Anyway, that comes off. This just splits. Let me go and get a Torx tool and get this off. Oh, I've got a Torx bitty. It's a T25. So we'll take these out. I might even put these screws in the case. Looks like we have to take these four off here at the front here. Got these four here, two on each side. This is just a shield or cover that goes over the fan or the flywheel, whatever you want to call it. That's what it's bolted to. It should just pull apart. Let's just sit that there. Now we have to be really careful here we don't wreck this. So what I'll do is, it's pretty strong, so it should be able to hold it in your hand. I don't know what size it is. I'm going to have to go and get a socket though. Yep. I'll go and get my sockets out. I'll be back. Alright, it's a 14mm. It wasn't done up tight or anything. So we want to make sure we put all this back exactly how it comes off. So what we do is we'll sit that over there with the nut and washer on top of it. This has got to go underneath. So what we need to do is, actually that can probably stay on there. What I might do too, because we're going to have to take that off, just put the nut back on it. Just like that. Alright, let's undo these. They look like even smaller Torx. T25. Oh shit. Not the same size. Let's put these in the case over there. One, two, three. 4, and this one's too tight. Oh, jeez. Oh. Why is that so tight? a real long one. Oh, I'll have to take that off. The real long one can't get that mixed up. Right, set the washer. Top. This one's got to go back on the bottom, so set that one underneath. And it's got a sleeve on here too. Set that there. Yeah, this pull starts just behind here. It's really greasy too. It's not nice to work on. And it's a T20. The other one's a T25. This one's a T20, these screws. There's two more on the back here. Just be careful of that sleeve in the front there, what I was just mucking around with. Just put them screws top there, because they're going to go in the back. We've missed one. No, two. No, one. The sleeve wants to come out. Can't see why you'd have to take this back cover off. You don't want to take that off, you don't want to take the front off it. Alright, another screw coming out of it, the bottom. It must be coming out of the case here. Yep. What I'll do is I'll just set that to the side, drop in a couple of screws in there. We've got this other one here. I want to take that out too. As I can see, I'll be walking around with this. I'm going to lose that. Alright, so I'm not interested in any of that. It's only this pull starter. Let's try and get some rope. Might be able to just pull the cord out. How long's the cord? Would that cord be long enough to reckon? It's hard to say, isn't it? The cord's crap. A handle here. use something like this to push it through. Alright, tie the knot the best we can. That should be enough to start it, shouldn't it? Oh yeah, it's only got a tab left on it. You can Yep, I'm pretty happy with that. Well, let's put it back together. That's good. And I'll leave the end sticking out of it. It was only that much, but it snapped off it. It's only a relatively small amount. But when you look at it where it's wound on there, it's hard to see. But it's almost to the edge anyway. So, you're not going to be able to get it any much longer. Than what it already is. Pretty happy with that. Alright. Make sure we don't lose any of that stuff or knock any of that crap off. Alright, just lay it down like that. Let's get our 3 screws that go in here. Put these ones in first. Alright, then we got this one. Shouldn't, make sure I shouldn't have done them up probably. Tight, I should be a little more careful. The sleeve's coming out again. That shouldn't matter though. Let's get these screws and put these back in. one more here somewhere. Down, hiding in the bottom here. There we go. It's a 2-stroke motor too, this Homelite blower. That's why it's so oily. Alright, turn it back up. Now we'll make sure that we put that washer. Leave it sitting like that. Get them screws. There's 5 of them. One's a real long one. I think it was the one in here. These are T25s too. Not T20 like that one. Alright, get them done up. Now we had this metal washer and I was looking at this. That's what locks this in place. Just that washer. Probably explains why that wasn't tight. Because it doesn't have to be that tight. Alright. I'll put the handle back on. Should have put the handle on it last. Oh, put that back in. Where's my tool? this way. Getting worried for a minute, had a gap in it, but the gap's closed up. These are definitely made cheap. Right, one screwy. Right, and there we go. Choked up. How do you stop and start it? Oh, that's stop. Oh, that's the throttle here. I see. It's on run. Half choke, full choke. It. Let's see if we can start it again. Yep, she's all good. Just check our pull cord. Might just shorten it a little bit more. All we'll do is just cut that mess off. That's it. It's a little bit shorter, but not much. And yeah, that's it. 22 minutes. That's the Homelite blower. Pull starter cord replacement. Don't know what brand it is. No clue. Oh, it's HBL 26B. That's what it is. Homelite HBL 26B blower 2019. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, comment. Have a great day.